How about some real-life success stories? When it comes to finding love, AI dating coaches have played a surprising role in many heartwarming success stories. Take Samantha, for example, a busy marketing executive who felt overwhelmed by the dating scene. After trying an AI dating app, she was matched with Tyler, a fellow foodie who shared her love for spontaneous adventures. Their first date involved a cooking class where they hilariously struggled to make pasta, but the laughter and chemistry were undeniable. Fast forward a few months, and they're now planning a trip to Italy together thanks to a little help from AI. Then there's Max, a self-proclaimed introvert who had always found it challenging to meet new people. With the guidance of an AI dating coach, he learned how to craft engaging messages and even received tips on how to break the ice. His first date with Lisa turned into a karaoke night, where he unexpectedly discovered her hidden talent for belting out 80s hits. They bonded over their shared love for music, and now they're the life of every party. These stories highlight the diverse experiences of individuals who found love through AI, showcasing that sometimes the most unexpected outcomes can lead to the best relationships. Whether it's a cooking disaster or a karaoke showdown, AI dating coaches are proving that love can be just a swipe away.